Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve for the value of k given that k multiplied by k multiplied by k plus k equals 10. Let's see solution from here. So here we have k multiplied by k multiplied by k plus k equals 10. So k multiplied by k multiplied by k, that gives us k to the power 3 plus k equals 10. Then let's take 10 to this side. K raised to power 3 plus k minus 10 equals 0. So next we have k to the power 3 plus k minus, if I write this thing as minus 8 minus 2, this equals 0. So I break this 10 based on the corresponding power of this. Let's say I combine k raised to power 3 minus 8 together. We have k raised to power 3 minus 8, and I put this in bracket, plus k minus 2, this in bracket, equals 0. Then we have k raised to power 3 minus 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 bracket plus k minus 2 equals 0. And in the next step, we have to consider this identity. Suppose we have k raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3. This is just like when we have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3. This equals a minus b multiplied by a squared plus b squared minus plus ab. So a is the identity we are going to consider here. And if we have our k to be equals to a and b equals 2, so definitely we are going to have k minus 2 multiplied by k squared plus 2 squared plus 2k plus k minus 2 equals 0. So next we have, here is k minus 2 and here is also k minus 2. They are common. By factoring it out, we have k minus 2, then multiply by, when we divide this one by k minus 2, we have k squared plus, so 2 squared here is 4 plus 2k. And when we divide this one by k minus 2, we have plus 1, everything equals 0. And in the next step, we are going to write this thing properly as, if this is k minus 2 multiplied by k squared plus 2k, and 4 plus 1, that gives us 5, equals 0. And next we are going to let k minus 2 equals to 0, or k squared plus 2k plus 5 equals 0. So here we have k minus 2 equals 0. And this implies that when we take 2 to other side, we are going to have k equals 2. And here is the first solution to this problem. And since the equation we are given is cubic equations, we are going to get 4 different values, as we have gotten one out of the 3 values we are going to get. And let's see how we can solve the other part of this. So this implies k squared plus 2k plus 5 equals 0. And here we have a quadratic equations, which is k squared plus 2k plus 5 equals 0. And when you consider from the quadratic formula, which is k equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from k squared plus 2k plus 5, we can get our b, a, and c from here. The coefficient of this one, which is k squared, is a, and that is 1. Here we have a equals 1, and also we have b, which is coincident of k. So we have b equals 2, and we have c equals the constant value, which is 5. Then we are going to substitute all these values in this quadratic formula, and we get the other two solutions. So let's start inputting the values. We have k equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 divided by 2a. So next we have k equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 5, that gives us 20, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, so which is still 2, so we have it here. Then we have k equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20, that is minus 16, divided by 2. But let's try to note this, that if you have square root of minus 16, it is equals square root of minus 1 multiplied by 16. And square root of minus 1 times 16 is the same thing as square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 16. And for every square root of minus 1, it is given as I multiplied by square root of 16, that is 4. That is, we get 4i, and which is a complex. Therefore, we have square root of minus 16 here, which is 4i. So k equals minus 2 plus or minus 4i divided by 2. Then let's say we factor out 2 from here. We have k equals 2 into bracket of minus 1 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. And from here, when 2 cancel 2, we are going to get the value of k, which equals minus 1 plus or minus 2i. So we get two solutions here as well, which we consider this as our k2 equals minus 1 plus 2i, and we have k3, which is minus 1 minus 2i. Then our k1 is equals 2. And from the look of the things, if we are to substitute this value here for the value of k equals 2, we are going to get the result as 10, as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This gives us 8 plus 2. And 8 plus 2 here equals 10. And we can also verify for other two complex solutions, and they are going to be equal. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.